guys, Keto Newbies here. We are super excited to share some new content with you guys. Today we're going to start with Bulletproof Coffee. It's a famous thing, especially when starting with keto. So Trudit will tell you more all about it.
Yeah, keto coffee, the reason why to get going in the morning, it's really sustainable as well. So it can last you right up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. If you start off with keto, it really helps a lot. Unfortunately, you can't replace it with you can't eat a meal with it. But you can replace a meal, and the high fat content in it really takes you all the way up till 1 o'clock, where you then have your next meal. But yeah, let's do the keto coffee. You can either have it with instant, which we sometimes do. I know it's not the known thing, but we're going to do it both ways today to help you guys do the keto coffee.
Awesome, and it's absolutely delicious, so make sure to go try it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please go like and subscribe to our Keto Newbies channel.